What's good, YouTube, bro? I'm back with another video, bro. I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna just get straight to it. I'm gonna play a preview of this song, bro. And then I'm gonna give y'all the preset, and I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all just copy that. And before I play it, look, y'all go follow my bro. Follow my SoundCloud, because I'm gonna post the song on this SoundCloud right here. So before I show y'all, just follow this SoundCloud. Alright, I'm gonna just play the song, and then I'm gonna show y'all the preset.
I got a 40, you know it's gon' pop her. I got my little girl, she call me a popper. Red on this body, you know it's gon' drop her. Got blood on this face, that's a whole lot of red. I whip on my chubby, I'm leaving her dead. I'm with my baby, she stuck in my head, and she know I love her. I'm taking this just to leave me, go be with her. Hit her from the back of my leg, girl screaming. Shoot off from the back of that little girl creaming.
Yeah, that's all I'm gonna play. I ain't gonna play the rest, but I'm gonna just play that. So I'm gonna just give y'all a preset right now. Alright. Right here, this is the first one. Noise gate, de-esser, EQ3M, and D-delay. And if y'all can't get it right, I'ma just put the preset in the description, and y'all could just click the link and just copy it right there. So that's it. So I'm gonna let y'all go right now. I'm gonna post another video soon. So y'all just spam this up. Y'all get this up.